Add the video in your timeline, then go to the color tab. In here, select this qualifier tool. Now click on the object that you want to color change. Now click this down arrow and select highlight. Now click this highlight option. This will highlight your subject. And then select this picker add tool and click on your missing color to reveal all your color, just like this. After that, select this window tool and select the pen tool, and then draw a area around your object, just like this. And select the tracker tool and click on track forward and reverse. This will track your selected subjects in entire video. Once done, click this curve window and again click on your subject again to pick your current subject color. Then disable highlight, and now using these dots you can easily change your subject color. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.